2023 is here, and with it, we are going to expect our bull run starting very soon. So let's focus on some low cap investments which can give up to 50x profits in the future. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let's Capitalize. As you know, we keep you updated and informed for the entire crypto community. And if you're struggling with trading and not able to make profits, we are here to help you and guide you through it. Today we are going to share 5 such projects which can go up to 50x, and you should definitely keep it under your bag. Our first project is BICONOMY, which is around $0.30 and has a market cap around 139 million. BICO is an Ethereum token which is focusing on building multi-chain transaction infrastructure for next generation Web3 applications. It is almost 98% down from its all-time high. LOOPRING LRC, which is also an Ethereum token, is currently pricing around $0.23 and has a market cap of 294 million. It always shows huge rallies, and even in the coming time, we will see a big rally. It is 93% down from its all-time high. Moving on to the third project, which can do wonders in the metaverse, is BLOKTOPIA, which is actually very low from its all-time high and is the perfect time to enter. Many big exchanges like Binance, KuCoin and Huobi have already invested a lot in this. With a pricing of $0.04 and a market cap of 320 million, GALA is one of the most promising projects. Big investors and traders have already started focusing GALA. It is 94% down from its all-time high, but it's getting better and better. Our final and the best project is the Bybit token. The BIT token is actually walking in the footsteps of Binance token, BNB, as they look very similar. The way we saw a growth in BNB, we will surely see a big growth in the BIT token as well. Bybit users are increasing with time, and we can expect to reach the all-time high very soon. So make sure you add this on your portfolio. So that's it for today. Make sure you like, share and subscribe us. We will be back with more amazing videos. Peace.